Hi, welcome to this segment of Your Black World News. I'm your host, Roosevelt Mitchell III. Dylan Roof, the gunman responsible for murdering 9 people at the Mother Emanuel AME Church in Charleston, South Carolina, wants his fate decided by a judge rather than a jury, according to a notice filed by his lawyer. The court filing also noted that the federal prosecutors will most likely deny Roof's request for a bench trial. Federal prosecutors are seeking the death penalty against Roof over the June 17, 2015 church massacre. Roof was indicted on 33 counts, including hate crimes, obstruction of religion, and firearm offenses. Just this week, U.S. District Judge Richard Gergel scheduled Roof's federal trial for November 2nd. Roof faces the death penalty in addition to charges of murder and attempted murder in a separate state trial, which is set to begin in January 2017. According to U.S. News and World Report, attorney David Brooks said that if his client was forced to face a jury, he would ask that the judge to only select jurors from the Charleston area, not statewide. Judge Gergel expects the jury selection, process, guilt, and penalty phases of the federal trial to take at least 6 weeks. I would love to hear what you think about this, so please leave a comment in the section below.
What are we going to do? I think that's sort of an apathetic, posture, and especially when we're living in a space where we really do need government to do something. Without a huge infusion of cash from government, I mean, we're kind of baked. There are not a lot of spaces to go. Certainly not enough resources for us to kind of do for self and build industries and factories and means of distribution. We don't have that. So we have to understand that, listen, more than probably anyone else, this is our America.
But that's how all artists are. He did at some point. It was actually a little harder for me to accept him and embrace him as a bigger artist, and when he started acting like one, because I had known him when he wasn't such a big artist. So I'm the kind of person that the way I meet you is the way I see you for life. You know what I mean? And sometimes that's to default, but because people have to grow. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you see someone on the block, he's a kid, and then you come around 10 years later and they want to be respected as a man, and you still giving them kid props, and they feel